Okay. Before wudu, intention of making wudu should be done in the heart. Then say Bismillah in the name of Allah. Completely washing the hands, including the wrists and between the fingers 3 times. Rinse the mouth 3 times. Using the right hand, put a small amount of water into the mouth, swallow around, and expel. Sniff water into the nostrils as far as possible with the right hand, then sniff out with the left hand 3 times. Wash the face from forehead to chin, left earlobe to the right earlobe, making sure the whole face is washed. Wash the 2 arms up to and including the elbows, hand and between the fingers. Begin with the right arm 3 times for each arm. Wipe the head with wet fingers, starting at the fringe to the back hairline and back to the same way, all in one movement. Simultaneously wipe the insides of both ears with the index fingers and the back of the ears with the thumbs. Wash the feet, including the ankles and between the toes. Begin with the right foot 3 times for each foot.